area. We'll have to wait and see. But I suspect if we can, we're going to get to about here. So let's put a little line in there. Let's draw a line just to show where we could potentially have some resistance. The silver.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are looking at the silver chart just to see how we've traded over the past week and where we could be heading over the coming week. So as we can see, this is the monthly view. We are still trading sort of sideways at the top part of the range. So we can see the high we've been up to is 121.66, and we've come back in. We've got what looks like a major support, just this line here, and we're sort of consolidating and going sideways. So let's go into our daily. Okay, so on the daily, what we have here is this red support area that I did draw in about a week ago. As you can see, this red line's been ongoing since 2025, and it seems to be holding. So we've touched it back in March 26, and we've pretty much come close to it on the 29th of April. Come close, maybe even touched it. We'll have to have a closer look, and it looks like it's held and it's bouncing off it. So within the bigger parallel channel, we are still pretty much consolidating, going sideways above the red line, support line, and potentially we could still be heading a little bit higher on silver. However, as we can see in the smaller parallel, we have broken below it, and we are consolidating a little bit lower underneath it, which could spell a little bit of problem for silver moving forward potentially. But as long as it doesn't break this red longer term support line that I've got in the chart, then we should be fine. However, if it breaks it, then we will be looking at the 65, potentially going as low as the 56, 55. So for now, let's go into the 1 hour. There we go. So as we can see on the 1 hour, we have that break of the smaller parallel channel. We've broken it. We tried to retest it again, try to see if we can get back in it. It failed. Consolidated below, almost like a bear flag. So where you've sort of start from here, come down, go across, and then you've broken down. So, however, we have managed to get back above this support of the 74.20. So when we broke below it, became a resistance. You can see, touched it here, dropped in, touched it there, and eventually broke through it. Came back in, but straight over it again. So I would suggest this area here, which is the 73.92, let's call it. That should potentially become a bit of a support for us. So let's just drag this out This is extend it a little bit. Go across to there. Okay. And what we'll do is let's have a look. Actually, we'll change that to 74. And we'll edit this to make that 74. And then 4, 0, apply, and then we just move this to here. Okay, so we have a clear resistant, potentially support. So if it comes back in, let's see if it holds this 74 area. If it doesn't, then we know we could go a little bit lower to the 71.20 and retest this lower, which is the 70 area. Excuse me. Okay, so hopefully next week, the coming week, can we trade higher and can we try and get to the 80 area? We'll have to wait and see, but I suspect if we can, we're gonna get to about here. So let's put a little line in there. Just draw a line just to show where we could potentially have some resistance that silver will face if it goes higher. So here we go. We've got that resistance around here. So that's 80.75. Just put a note in there. Right here. Target 80.75. Okay, so we have a clear support and a clear target. If you can get through this area, then we could go a little bit higher to about 85. So what we'll do, we'll keep an eye on that. Let's go into 10 minutes. Let's just see what we can find. Again, very similar to the 1L. We can see it's where it's broken below the 74 area. Almost formed like a reverse head and shoulder, it looks like. So you got the left shoulder, the head, right shoulder, and then above it. Again, let's keep an eye on it. Let's see what happens next week, and we'll take it from there. So let's go back to our daily. There we go. So we've got everything in place for the coming week. We just have to keep an eye on it and see what happens. And that concludes the chart for silver this week. If you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, follow us, leave your comment, as it will help the channel to grow. And thank you for watching the video, and see you soon.